Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. My name is Tyler Wunderlich. I'm one of your health educators here in the Caldwell County Health Department. I'm joined today by
Bree Flanagan, one of the other public health educators at the Caldwell County Health Department.
And we're going to talk about some of our services that we offer in our clinic today, so that way you're aware of what we do and what we can help you with. I'll kick us off. We're going to talk about some family planning topics.
That's awesome. Tell us about that.
So, at the health department, we are here to support your reproductive health needs. We offer a full range of confidential, affordable family planning service for individuals, both male and female, of all ages. Whether you're planning on a pregnancy, trying to prevent one, or simply want to learn more about your options, that's what we're here to help you with. We have a range of services. So we offer different birth control options, things like pills, injections, IUDs. We can help with any of those. We do pregnancy testing and counseling. We do have maternal services as well. We can do preconception and fertility education. We have STD and STI testing, which we'll learn a little bit more about that later. And we can do treatment for those as well. We do emergency contraception. We do reproductive health screenings, education on healthy relationships, and decision making as well. So a lot of different services there.
Yeah.
You got a whole plethora. So the main question should be, why choose us? Well, our services are confidential. We're going to make sure that anything that you're coming in for, like I said, planning, preventing, any of that stuff, we're going to make sure that your information is safe because we focus on you and making sure that you are comfortable and that you're getting what you need and no one else is involved unless you want them to be.
Absolutely.
And then it is cost-based as well. So it is a fee based on a sliding scale based on your income. So
that's nice.
there may be slightly different charges depending on what you're going in for, but it is based on your income, not a set rate.
Yeah, so that has a lot of flexibility, especially for people who might not have insurance.
Yeah, absolutely. And then that's the next topic we were going to talk about is we do also accept most health insurances. So we're friendly and knowledgeable, we provide judgment-free care, and we support teens, adults, and already established families. We're here for any stage that you are in. Taking control of your reproductive health is an important step, and you don't have to do it alone. We want to make sure that you have the support that you need no matter what. So you can contact us today to schedule an appointment or learn more about family planning resources available to you and the rest of the community.
That's a lot of great services there for family planning, and like Tyler mentioned, we'd also be talking about the STD services provided at the clinic. So we offer quick, confidential testing for a variety of sexually transmitted diseases and infections. No judgment, just care, like Tyler said. We really just want to be here to help you with whatever needs that you have, and no one's gonna, be judgy or weird about it. The services that we offer for that are testing for chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV, and more. And we do also offer treatments for many of those STDs. We also like to educate people on prevention and safer practices to hopefully prevent STDs from occurring in the first place. And then we do offer follow-up support and referrals if needed. Additionally, we provide condoms with no appointment needed and at no cost. So you can just call us and let us know that you need some condoms, and we've got you covered. So why get tested? Many STDs have no symptoms at all. So early detection prevents complications. If you're worried about having anything for any reason, it's better to get tested. It helps protect you and your partners. It's simple, confidential, and often free or low cost. And like Tyler said, we have that sliding scale fee, and we do accept a lot of insurances. So who should get tested? Anyone who's sexually active, anyone with a new partner, anyone who has symptoms or concerns, or anyone who is recommended by a provider. What you can expect from us is a private, respectful testing process and staff who are ready to answer questions and provide support. The cost, many services are free or income-based, like we said, and we do accept insurances. So take charge of your health today. Call your local health department to schedule an appointment.
All right. This next one, I got to make sure I say it correctly. It is BSEP.
Yes.
Not B-STEP, as it has been mispronounced before. It is BSEP. B-C-C-C-P. BSEP. So this is a program that provides free or low cost, based on the sliding scale that we've been discussing, breast and cervical cancer screenings for women. With that, our goal is to help every woman access the care that she deserves and requires. It is regardless of income or insurance status. So if you don't have insurance, if you have low or no income, we will be able to provide help to you because it's important to maintain your health. The services with the BSEP program include breast exams, mammograms if they are needed, pap smears and pelvic exams, and cervical cancer screening follow-ups. Then there is also education on breast and cervical health that we can provide, and assistance with diagnostic testing as necessary. So lots of great services for anyone who qualifies. And let's talk about who qualifies.
Yeah, tell us about that.
So typically we are seeing women age 40 to 64 with little or no insurance coverage who meet the income eligibility requirements. And again, you just need to talk to us about those things. You can give us a call. They can be explained to you. But younger women may qualify if they are showing symptoms or are at higher risk based on a clinical assessment. So you would need to be referred by a provider or have some pre-existing condition, maybe a history in the family or something like that, that you wouldn't be qualifying for. But again, if you give us a call, we can explain that better. So why should people participate? Well, breast cancer and cervical cancers are highly treatable when they're found early. So early detection is going to be the key. Regular screenings can catch problems long before the symptoms appear, so making sure that you're getting them in those early stages, again, like we talked about. And services are confidential, supportive, and provided by caring professionals. So our staff, as we have been just hammering with everything that we've talked about, they're going to take care of you. They're going to do it confidentially. Only you and the staff will know about it unless you decide to share that information with someone else. It will not go elsewhere unless you choose to. And they're going to support you through every step of the process to make sure that you are comfortable. So what you can expect is the comfortable and respectful environment that we've been talking about, private screenings and one-on-one education. So after the screening, it's not just going to be get out, it's going to be we're providing you with education and more material. And then help accessing follow-up care if it's needed. So if something is detected, we will get you pointed in the right direction to make sure that you're getting the follow-up care that's appropriate for what was found. And then the staff is available that can help you through every step. They're going to be with you every step of the way. Again, the cost is low or no cost depending on eligibility. And then insurance is not required for this one.
Awesome.
So even if they come in without insurance, we can still see them. So take charge of your health today, give us a call, and get your screenings.
Okay, thank you for going over that, Tyler. Now we're going to talk about child health. There's a lot of services we offer at the clinic. So for child health, we want to keep kids healthy, growing, and thriving. Your local health department provides comprehensive child health services to support your child's growth and development from toddler through adolescence. Our goal is to help every child stay healthy with preventive care, screenings, and family support. The services that we offer at the clinic are well child checkups, physical exams for schools, sports, and daycares, immunization, so we'll make sure that they get all the shots that they need at the times that they need them, growth and development screenings, vision and hearing checks, nutrition guidance, so we do have our WIC program that we talked about, I believe it was last month. You can call us if you need more information on that as well. We also offer health education for parents and caregivers and referrals for additional services if needed. Child health visits are important because we track your child's growth and development, make sure vaccines are up to date, catch concerns early when they're easiest to treat. So we always like to preach prevention. The earlier you catch something, the better. You can receive support and guidance at every stage. So like Tyler said, and like we'd like to reiterate, you're not going to be alone through this. We want to really be here to support you. And just getting your child checked up regularly helps build a strong foundation for lifelong health. Who we serve are children from age 2 through 18, all families, insurance not required, and then we also have low cost or free services available for eligible families. What you can expect from us are friendly, family-centered care, a safe, welcoming environment, one-on-one time to ask questions about your child's health and development, and quick and convenient appointments. Give your child the best start that you can. Call your local health department today to schedule a child health visit and learn more about the services that we offer for that.
And with that, we're not just focusing on children, we
Yes.
also have adult health.
Exactly.
So bring the whole family.
Everybody checked up.
Yes, everyone get everything checked all at once. We offer comprehensive adult health services too, though. It's not just for specific groups and everything. We want to make sure that everyone is staying healthy so you can manage your conditions early and maintain your overall well-being. Whether you need a routine checkup, some sort of health screening, or support managing an ongoing concern that has been brought up previously, we're here for you. We have a bunch of different services here as well. You're going to hear a lot of different services today. It might be overwhelming, but if you hear something that interests you, you can always call us and we can explain it further. But for adult exams, we can do routine physical exams. Those yearly checkups, those are important. I know a lot of people skip them, but we offer them. You should come and get it because we can help you. Chronic disease screenings, so things such as blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, different things that can creep up on you over time. You want to make sure that you're checking those things pretty regularly. Wellness checkups are another one. Immunizations for adults, so it's not just for kids. If you need something as an adult, we can offer that as well. We did have a flu drive. We've had the measles shots clinic, the MMR, so it's not just for children, it's for everyone. We do women's and men's preventative health services, health education and counseling, and referrals for specialty care if needed. So if we can't do it for you, we'll make sure you get sent to where you can get that done. So why should you schedule an adult health visit? Problems, they come at all times.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that we're preventing them. We've talked about that a lot. We want to make sure that we're getting things early or even before. And then monitoring your health and identify the risks early. Like I said, we want to get to things before they really develop into an actual problem. Staying up to date on your recommended vaccines. Again, it's not just for children, it's for everyone. Receive personalized guidance for healthy living. So it's not just for kids. We can give you advice on nutrition as an adult for your active lifestyle, whether it's for your job, if you have a more strenuous job, or a more sedentary job. We can give you recommendations on different things. And then getting support for managing conditions like your high blood pressure, diabetes, or other things. We have a very well-educated staff who can talk to you about those different conditions. We serve adults of all ages. This one does require insurance, but we do take a wide variety of insurances. So you can give us a call and they'll be able to tell you whether or not your insurance is accepted.
Yes.
And again, what you can expect is a friendly, judgment-free care, private, comfortable appointments, time to discuss your health concerns and goals, where you want to go with your health, not just where you are now. And then staff that's dedicated to helping you achieve your best health. And then Bree is going to take us into our topic of nurse clinic.
Yes. So for our nurse clinic, we offer convenient walk-in nurse clinic services to help you stay healthy and up to date on important immunizations. No appointment needed for these. The services that we offer are walk-in vaccinations for adults and children, TB skin tests, so we do the placement and the reading. We can review your immunization records if you have any questions about that. We offer vaccine counseling and education, and assistance with required vaccines for school, work, or travel. So any kind of vaccine that you need, you can call us and ask us about. Why visit the nurse clinic? We offer quick and convenient care with no appointment required. You can stay current on recommended vaccines, meet your school, employment, and program requirements, and protect yourself and your community from preventable diseases. For TB skin test information, tests are placed during clinic hours except for Thursdays, and you must return within 48 to 72 hours for the reading. It's a $20 flat fee. It's required for many workplaces, school programs, and volunteer roles. Who can come in? Children, teens, and adults. We offer free vaccines for children under the ages of 18 without insurance, and we accept all major insurances for children and adults. There could be a cost associated if your insurance does not fully cover it, so if there's a copay or something like that. Like we've said the entire time through this interview, you can expect friendly professional nursing staff, fast, efficient services, support with paperwork and documentation, and a clean, safe, and welcoming clinic environment. So walk in today if you have any questions about vaccinations, if you need help with that, or just call us to ask more about the services. I know we covered a lot. It's a lot to process, but we want to help you with anything that we can for your health. I think that's everything that we had. Anything else you wanted to mention?
No, again, I know that we just threw a bunch of information at you, but we have a lot of stuff that we can offer to the public. So we just want to make sure that you're aware of it. If you have any questions further about what we offer, you can always give us a call. And then if we happen to not pick up by random chance, you can always just come in and visit us.
Absolutely.
We are available to you.
Yep. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks, Tyler.
Thank you, Bree.
Yeah. Have a good evening. We'll see you next time.